Column organization. The column organization page helps instructors configure the Grade Center display. To access the full Grade Center, hover over Manage and then choose Column Organization. The column organization page shows you every column in your Grade Center, each in its own row. See all the columns, including those that have been hidden from the instructor. There are rows that are grouped together. First group are columns that appear in the Grade Center views. Next, if you have set up grade periods, each period is shown in their own rows. The last group are those columns that do not belong into a grading period. In each row, the grading period, category, due date, date created, and points possible are displayed. This is a great view to quickly see these settings for many columns at once. Freeze panels. If a column is frozen when scrolling through the Grade Center view, that column will remain stationary and visible. Frozen columns are shaded in gray, so they'll visually stand out from the remaining columns. You can freeze any column by dragging the four-way arrow up into the frozen column area. Now when you scroll to the right in the Grade Center, the new frozen column will remain visible. You can also change the order of the columns by clicking and dragging them in the list. Show, hide columns. The column organization view can also be used to hide or show columns. All existing information associated with the column remains. Column isn't displayed in the Grade Center view. Hiding columns that are not in use reduces the length of the grid and reduces the need to scroll continuously. Hide columns in the Grade Center view by clicking a check mark next to the column names, then choose Hide Column in the Show Hide menu. This only hides the column from instructors in the Grade Center and does not hide it from the students. Once a column is hidden, the only place that makes it visible again is in column organization. To show a column, click checkmark next to the column that you want to show and choose Show Selected Column. Associate a category or grading period with a column. In this view, you can quickly assign a category and grading periods to multiple columns at once. Select the columns you want to change and then hang over the category or grading period button. Click the desired item to assign those columns. If you have more than one column selected, each of them is changed. When you are finished, click the Submit to save your changes. Quick Sort Columns. In the full Grade Center, you can easily sort the Grade Center alphabetically by simply clicking on the column name. An orange triangle will appear in the heading of the column that is being sorted. Click the name again to toggle between ascending and descending order. This feature sorts a graded column so the instructor can easily see who is failing the assignment and who hasn't completed it. Instructors can also sort the columns by layout position, category, due date, date created, points possible, display name, and by order of ascending or descending. Remember that the layout position refers to the order of the columns in the column organization view, which is also the order in which students can see them.